Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can schedule and edit our tweets without using any third-party application. Well, scheduling tweets on Twitter can be a very useful way for businesses and individuals who want to maintain a consistent presence on the platform. And by scheduling tweets in advance, you can ensure that your content is being shared at optimal times when your target audience is most likely to be online. Anyhow, for convenience, I have already written a post to schedule it, so I'm just copying and pasting it here and adding the relevant image. Well, for SEO purpose, you sure can edit the image by clicking on this edit button. And can zoom in your image by sliding this slider, and then add some alt text if you want. And then click on save. Now to schedule it, click here and then select your day, time, and then click on confirm. And then click on schedule. And then as soon as you will click on schedule, Twitter will let you know that your tweet has been scheduled. Now, if you want to make some changes in the tweet you have just scheduled, you have to open it in an edit window. And to edit it, I have searched every option available in the menu. Well, under Creator Studio, you can check the analytics of your tweets. And under Professional Tools, you are still provided with statistics and other options, but no edit option is available here too. So to edit your scheduled tweets, search TwitterDeck in your browser. And then click on this link. And for now, instead of opening display settings, I'm just skipping this step. And then click on Start from Scratch. It will ask you to select your columns you want to add here. And for now, I'm just adding the home timeline column. And then click on Skip this step. Now click on Add Column, and here you can select the ones of your choice, but the one I'm looking for is Scheduled Tweets. Just click on it and it will add it here. And you can also rearrange it by dragging it. Now here is the tweet I have just scheduled, and you can see that I have scheduled it to go live on 20th, but now I want it to go live on 18th. So to edit it, just click on it and it will open it in an edit window where you can not only edit it but also can reschedule it according to your need. And then click on the schedule button. And then just refresh your browser. And here you can see that it's been rescheduled. Well, if you want to delete your tweet, just click on this edit button and then select the tweets you want to delete. And then click on the delete button. It will delete all the tweets you will select. And since I don't want to delete it, I'm just deselecting it and then click on done. And this is how you can edit your scheduled tweets without using any third-party application. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.